Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I have been to Tesco's. Haven't got a great mass of shopping, but I thought it's enough to do a shopping haul, so I thought I'd share with you what I have picked up as a top-up shop today. So I'll turn the camera around, excuse the dogs playing in the background. I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you what I've got. I have picked up Prima magazine. I haven't had one of these for months and I used to subscribe to this. So I thought I'd pick one up and have a nice little read. So salad stuff, I got the baby leaf mixed salad, 2 lots of the salad tomatoes, cucumber, radish, some cooked beetroot, dogs are playing as per normal. I've got a pack of 3 peppers, so I've got the yellow, orange and the red pepper. Lally tap. So I've got some red onions, a pack of brown onions, and in the reduced section I picked up 3 packs of sprouts, and they've been reduced down to 36p a pack. And then I also picked up the fine beans and tender stem broccoli. They've been reduced to 70p, and some veg here for 52p. I could not resist these strawberries for £4. I mean, look at the size of these strawberries, they're humongous. Picked up a pack of the extra mature cheddar, that was on offer, 550 grams for £3.50. A pack of white potatoes, cornbread, this is our absolute favourite, we really love this stuff. Some strong kitchen foil, a high protein loaf, 2 pots of yoghurt, so this is the Onken vanilla and the Onken strawberry, both of them are 0 fat. A pack of the Tesco's Finest ham, this looks really lovely. Some milk, a jumbo kitchen towel, and then some cold drinks. For these I've got apple and elderflower. These like the sparkling water drinks, apple and raspberry, rhubarb flavoured, oh I can't wait to try that one. And I've got 2 of these, vanilla and cherry, so that's the other one. And then I picked up this one, the white grape and blackberry. This was how much it all came to. It came to £38 and 87p. There's a little look at the receipt there. Yes, I know it's a quick haul, but I wanted to share it with you anyway. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, because that is very, very important to me. And if you like shopping hauls, etc., then I'd love it if you subscribed, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.